Hello friends, so welcome back. In today's demo we are going to discuss 3-point trend line projection tool here. We need to first identify where the 2 points are we are going to use, which is going to be B and C point. A point is the third point. This year 2028 is going to be the vibration of 8. Half of that is 4. So we are dealing with frequency of 258, which is a hidden matrix of 248, which we discussed in the prior video. So here it is. So we are using that harmonic relationship of 50%, and we are drawing this from B, C endpoint, projecting from A. And what we are looking for is market to, if trend is very high, is gonna get super excited here. And this is where we are going to activate the algos and pick the direction. You can start your ATM strategy as well. 50 points, 200 points. This is what we're looking for. We're not looking for 6-7 ticks, right? All right, so that game is over for this day. Let's do the next day. So let's delete those horizontal lines. Now we just have to relocate the tool. We have 3 hotspots here. First we will pick B and C. So now market is going down. Now always there will be a pullback. Now if you look at the 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, we can look into the banking bars, pullback of quarters, which is a different story, but here we are doing it in a different way. So that means you need to have B and C point and some projections. So here we see A, B, C. So I'm going to use the B first, the top, C. So I've relocated my B and C's. You click on it, drag it, hotspot is created. Now the projector point is right here. Let's stretch it a little bit. You don't need this chart to be squared. If you square it, which is much better. All right, there we go. So what are we looking for? Remember, this year is 248. It's a year of 8. Half is 4, half is 2. Energy goes half or it doubles. There's no fraction. So we have already harmonized the 2 components, which is squaring of 8 and 4. 4 is for the beams, 8 is for the square. So what is left? 2. Now if you count from the top, square 1, now this is 8 by 8, 64 grid, 8 by 8 grid, first, second square. Line is beaming from there. It completes the hidden 248 circle of life. So other action was it will go and react all the way to the top. Other option is this. So this is how the principles from the different dimensional space is doing 50% of retracements, but done totally differently with a higher sensible applied knowledge. Now this science, I think if I square the chart where I control my X and Y pixels, it can pinpoint the ticks. But again, we are looking at, again, point from here to 100 points. We're looking for days range. Market is going up and up and up and up and up. We got some rejection here. We got rejection second time, right? Third time, what can happen? 3 probabilities can go to the next one. Now we see a big tail. This is where below that you're going to take a shot. Now this is 15-minute chart. We can also draw our trend lines. Always the famous trend lines always exist. So when this one at the bottom of this bar, when this is broken, with the trend line is, you activate your robots to go short only. And then you can do this on an extremely large or very well managed Renko bars, which are on all the platforms. And it will keep on trading for you, and your goal, daily goal, should be met. So that is how you can. Is there anything else? This day was pretty low, but we can try that too, not a problem. So first we have to relocate. Are we going to project the highs or the lows, right? So we have to project. Market is here. And market is here. So if you want early morning, when the market is, you come up early morning, so we need a projector point as well. So this is one possible shape you can put on. Let's put it on the actual high and low precisely. This is frequency of 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 is also critical. The way we are doing Sunday opens, we do the same thing here. So let's do one more thing here. Let's bring one more tool into the picture. So let's mark, okay, let me bring the tool. And the tool I dropped in here is all fully automatically one-click solutions only. So this is Sunday open for NASDAQ. So let's activate that tool, and you see there's a hotspot. If you're projecting and looking for a top, I can move this tool right here. I can move this tool. It's a frequency tool, as you can see. Now this tool is a mobile Sunday open. You can also put it on the Sunday itself for the whole week vibration, as we have seen before, or we can put it highs and lows. So market is going to go 369. See here, 369. I think we covered that in the last presentation. Check out those videos. Now I'm putting it on the bottom. If I can find the bottom, right? A little bit difficulty, but you can see. Now I am going to now get two things going on here. Remember, 2 and 6. Frequency of 6, beam of 2, second beam down. How fascinating is that? Laws of nature. I hope this was an enjoyable presentation. And if you go back to this, you can just see from this we got the 6 one, from here we got the 3 one. So you can see market is vibrating to 3 and 6 all the time. If it is going too big, it may go again. All the multiples are going to be 3, 6, 9. So here we got the 6. I put it in the top. 6 here, 3 here. See these numbers in the middle? Vibration of 3, vibration of 6. First here, top, bottom 3, top 3, 3, 3, 6. And it's working out beautifully. And we added another dimension of getting the price. When two things come together, they become powerful. And if you want to add the third thing, let's get a little more excited about that and bring it on. All right, so I've dropped another tool called Banking Bar Replicator right here. Simple, you just drop it, and now we're looking for a hotspot. So on the top, we just drop through single highs and lows hotspots, and we're looking for a serious buying and selling pressure. You can see we got this top, okay, from the previous day. From this, now I have this bottom Now this is telling you the maximum extension we are expecting from this price range. Okay, and there it is. Okay, and this is also from here we already discussed, right? We placed that hotspot. We have the vibration already going on. So okay, from this top, where do we get? Same last triangle, boom, reversal. So you have a very extremely powerful scenarios going on in the system, and from the same top bar is here. From the same top bar, it went to the 12th frequency, which is again 3. Okay, so 12, 9, 12 is also 3, because after 9 there's 10 and 10 is 1, so 12 is 3. So I could have said 3 here, then you will be confused, so I put it 12. Market precisely, even NASDAQ dances to the market, which is supposed to be oh so volatile. So if you were trading from here, you can see this, the earlier part where we drew the ABC, A, B and C, and the projected from that low. This is the very first DNA bar we want to see. And now I see the maximum stretch is hitting this 9. Now we don't have to do always the maximum stretch. We can also do what we call as the next level up from the extreme bottom. So if I go to the extreme bottom, it went to the last square. And if you look closely, let me see, I have to redraw the tool. If I do it, no problems. Again, we don't even, because if you shift things, you have to refresh the chart. That's the only challenge. So here it is. So the frequency projections which we have, we can do that frequency projection also. From there we saw this is coming, we saw the beam is coming, we saw a lot of things. Now this is where if I relocate, I have to refresh it. So this is where you need to square the charts. Okay, but you got the idea how these tools are superior tools than anything else, because it is using the logic of squaring. So I hope you liked this presentation, and if you do, you can like the subscribe button, because then we produce weekly videos and you can get going and get notified. Thank you so much.